The World Health Organization declared coronavirus COVID-19 a pandemic on March 10, 2020. Over 20 studies on similar human coronaviruses such as SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, and MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, noted COVID-19 is not more severe than many flu viruses. However, since no human has been previously infected, nobody is immune to this highly contagious virus. Here are 10 important things to know about COVID-19. 1. COVID-19 can infect anyone, but many people may show no symptoms or have only mild symptoms. 2. People over 65 are at higher risk for complications since aging decreases a person's ability to fight off invading germs. 3. COVID-19 is spread by contagious respiratory droplets from person to person and on surfaces such as door handles, furniture, clothes, etc. 4. COVID-19 has an incubation period of about 2 to 10 days after exposure to an infected human or surface. 5. Early symptoms of COVID-19 include shortness of breath, fever, and feeling sick. 6. The average person can be contagious for about 20 days and some up to 37 days. 7. Hard surfaces, metal, glass, or plastic, can remain contagious for approximately 10 days at room temperature and 18 days at near freezing temperatures. 8. Face masks are almost useless for preventing infection, but if you are infected, a mask may decrease spread of the virus to others. 9. There is no known effective treatment, but people with normal immune systems are likely to get rid of the virus and recover within a few days. 10. People with weak immune systems should avoid crowds, hospitals, and exposure to potentially sick people. There are simple things you can do to help keep yourself and others healthy, including wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Frequently touched objects and surfaces should be cleaned regularly with an alcohol-based disinfectant. If you develop symptoms, check with your doctor or healthcare provider. Sick people should stay at home. Get regular chiropractic care. Research done by the University of Madrid Medical School and the Department of Health and Science found a link between chiropractic adjustments and the immune system. Another study in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy reported that a cervical spinal manipulation has a direct link to the immune system. If your goal is overall wellness, make chiropractic care part of your regular health routine to ensure your spine and nervous system are functioning 100%.